Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and just a reminder that today Stephen and Walter Live will be going on the air. We missed last week, as you know, but we will be on the air today, Sunday, June the 2nd, 2019, at 5 p.m. There is a change. We're on at 5 p.m. today because I'm teaching an art journal class, and I won't get home in time for a 4 o'clock broadcast. So today we will be on at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as I hinted at in a couple of videos before, we are going to slightly change our format. We're going to get into we'd like to get into some issues, and we'd like to have your feedback on these issues and your comments, good or bad, or your questions. And we thought we would start off our theme discussion this week because we're about to have our Pride Day here. Actually, it's today, June the 2nd, our Gay Pride Day in my area. And at the end of June, it will be the huge Pride Day in Toronto. So we want to talk about being an older man, but living in what people might consider the gay lifestyle, whatever gay lifestyle means. So we're going to talk about some things that are pissing us off about that, about stereotypes, about the things that are good about our lifestyle, the things that we've had challenges with over the years as well. And we'd love to have you join the conversation and get involved. So this is an opportunity for you to ask questions that you might have about, being gay. Or whatever. And we're going to be as frank and honest about our thoughts and our opinions as we can be. We're certainly not going to get into the more intimate details about gay relationships, but we will get into all kinds of other things about them. So I hope you can join us today for this new attempt at something a little more interesting we think it could be. So again, we'll be on today, Stephen and Walter Live, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, June the 2nd, 2019. Hope to see you later. Bye-bye.